subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung has officially launched the Galaxy Tab S7 FE in Europe with 5G support. Talking about the specifications, the Galaxy Tab S7 FE supports a tall 12.4-inch TFT display with WQXGA resolution, and it has small bezels on the edges that carries an 5-megapixel selfie camera. The rear panel of the Tab features a single 8-megapixel camera with autofocus support. Under the hood, the Galaxy Tab S7 FE is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G chipset, paired with 4 or 6GB of RAM and 64 or 128GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 1TB via microSD card slot. The tablet comes backed by 10,090 mAh battery with 45W fast charging support, and it runs on Android 11 based on One UI 3.1 skin on top. Additionally, the tablet includes S Pen stylus in the box, and it also comes with AKG plus Dolby Atmos surrounding sound system for better audio experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 185 by 284.8 by 6.3 mm, and it weighs around 608 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Galaxy Tab S7 FE has been priced in the UK for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 589 British pounds, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 629 British pounds. The tablet is now up for pre-orders in the country in Mystic Black, Mystic Silver, Mystic Green and Mystic Pink color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from June 18th. So what do you guys think of this Galaxy Tab S7 FE tablet? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.